To err is human. Who doesn't make mistakes? But what three things can we do with our mistakes? Accepting the mistake, learning from the mistake, and not repeating the mistakes again. Hello and welcome to the EduTrenX Learning Channel, and I'm your host Anurag. And in this video, I will talk about 5 of the most common mistakes that people make and that results in low PTE scores. Check if you are making any of these mistakes, and if you are, then it's time to fix your mistakes. The first mistake that people do is in the PT reading section. Let's take reorder paragraph for instance, in which a panel on the screen has several sentences in the wrong order, and you need to drag these sentences into a second panel in the correct order. The purpose of this activity is to examine how well you understand the structure of an English test. However, many candidates have difficulty with it because they don't pay attention to the language clues like linking words or sentences that begin with an introductory statement. These are the factors that allow the test takers to be cohesive. If you don't know the meaning of some of the unfamiliar words in the reading section, try to find the meaning of the words from the context in the sentence. Always be careful when answering multiple choice, choose multiple answer questions, as they have negative marking. Similarly, for fill in the blanks questions, eliminate any options with ungrammatical or illogical words. So refer to the question and scan each of the question properly before answering it. How to avoid it? So practice linking words, opening and concluding sentences, read news articles, blog posts or short academic texts, and mix up the order of each of the sentences and cut it up into subsections. Practice these questions by setting the timer for your time efficiency. The second one is the PT listening summarized spoken text, where a lot of test takers make mistakes. Students are tested on their ability to understand and summarize the main ideas presented during a lecture, and the quality of writing and how well the response draws out the key points from the lecture are both weighed and then marked on this task. In reality, most test takers simply copy word to word from the lecture. This indicates that they have a limited range of vocabulary and grammatical structures, and their ability to summarize is not great. So ideally, you should paraphrase as much as of the listening material as possible to get a good score. Here are a few suggestions to help you improve. Select a short video to watch, even if it is only a few minutes long. Watch it twice so you can get a better understanding of the ideas there. Take notes on the video's key points and try to summarize using the keywords, synonyms, and a good vocabulary. Taking notes is very essential. However, do not try to write everything. You only focus on the keywords. You only hear the recording once and focus your main attention there. Be mindful of the time remaining all the time, and make sure that you listen to the main points and ignore the details. Comment to us if you need more help with improving the PTE skills. The third one is the PTE speaking describe image specially, in which many people struggle. In this task, you are asked to describe what you see using your own words. It could be a graph, map, chart, table, or a picture. You see the image for 40 seconds and then think about what you want to say. Once you have finished thinking, you get another 40 seconds to describe it. What people try to do is to just learn a template and then say it as it is, which results in very low scores. And this is a very big mistake. You can definitely use the templates, but you still need to fit the right keywords in them. Watch our detailed video on describe image to learn those tricks and templates. And practicing the describe image with a range of images will definitely help you avoid making those mistakes when you are describing the image. During your practice sessions, record what you say and then listen back and identify the areas where you can improve in terms of grammar and vocabulary. We can definitely help you on that. A few quick tips on improving this is continue speaking even if you make any mistakes. If you try to improve your mistakes, it will result in negative marking. Avoid rushing it. Make sure your content is easy to understand and at a natural pace and tone. You shouldn't pause for more than 3 seconds because the microphone will be cut off. And fluency, intonation, and pronunciation are more important than your accent. Don't copy the accent of the speaker. The fourth area prone to mistakes is PTE writing tasks. People often fail to maintain the word count. They are either below the word count or above the word count, which costs them crucial points. Also, having a great structure, including the introduction, body paragraphs, and conclusion, is essential for the essay writing task. Some people write more than one sentence for the summarized written text task, which again fetches a very low score, as the PTE asks you to write just one single sentence. Lastly, writing irrelevant things also lead to low scores. So these are the common mistakes in writing that you should definitely avoid. Watch our video on essay writing and summarized written text task, where we have explained everything in detail to help you get a high score in writing. The last common mistake that people make in PTE is not double checking their responses, especially in writing, reading, and listening. Proofreading is very crucial for spelling, grammar, punctuation, and other errors in your response. So always double check your response before moving forward. But at the same time, keep also a watch on the overall timer and don't get stuck on one single question. So in conclusion, you need to practice the questions in an exam-like environment and improve your mistakes. Eventually, you will definitely improve with practice and your scores will definitely elevate. Comment on this video if you're struggling with any other PTE topics and we can help you there. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.